Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a copy of the PowerPoint so you don't alter the original. Open File, save a copy, then export slides as a PDF if text is selectable. Otherwise, export high-resolution images like PNG. Once done, inspect one exported page. If you can select text in the PDF, you'll extract directly. If not, plan for OCR. This first step prevents data loss and determines the method, direct text extraction versus image-to-text conversion, so make that decision before moving on. You now extract the actual content and shape it for Excel. If the PDF contains selectable text, use a reliable PDF to CSV or export to Excel function and choose table detection. If you have images, run OCR with Tesseract or a trusted OCR service, then export the results as CSV or TXT. Once you have raw text, clean it. Standardize headers, split combined cells into columns, remove line break artifacts and extra spaces. This structured cleanup saves time when importing into Excel. You finish by bringing the clean data into Excel and finalizing it. In Excel use, get data then select from text/CSV or from PDF depending on your file. Preview delimiters and column types before loading. Once loaded, run text to columns, use find/replace to fix consistent errors, and apply formulas or formatting to ensure numeric and date types are correct. Save as XLSX and retain the exported PDFs/images. If things go wrong, rerun OCR with higher resolution or adjust.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.